Welcome to HPHY, Healthy Practices, Healthier You. Today we're talking about a critical topic for our health, inflammation. It underlies most of our body's responses and is always at work in the background. We'll explore what inflammation is, how it affects our bodies, most important, 5 top anti-inflammatory foods backed by scientific research and by personal experience as a nutrition professional. Consistently adding these foods to your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, such as reduced pain, decreased risk of arthritis, including osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, and other chronic diseases. It can lead to enhanced immune function and an improved quality of life where you look and feel better and move through life with more ease and limited physical discomfort. Stick around until the end for your list of actionable tools you can incorporate into your daily life to naturally reduce inflammation. Let's start with the basics. What is inflammation? Inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection. It's a defense mechanism that helps our body heal and fights off harmful invaders. Acute inflammation is beneficial because it helps our body heal from these injuries and fight infections. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to various diseases. Without inflammation, our bodies wouldn't be able to heal or defend against infections, making us extremely vulnerable. Therefore, inflammation is essential for our survival. For inflammation to function properly, it must not be constantly triggered. Essentially, it needs periods of rest. Chronic inflammation can occur when the body's immune response is persistently activated, often due to factors such as poor diet, stress, lack of exercise, and exposure to toxins. Chronic inflammation can manifest in many ways, including joint pain, fatigue, digestive issues, and skin problems. It can contribute to serious conditions like heart diseases, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. The practical impact on our daily lives includes decreased mobility, increased pain, and overall reduced quality of life in doing daily and basic chores. We all know we've had those experiences and know family members who are experiencing this now. Let's talk about 5 anti-inflammatory foods that you must include in your diet, the science behind them, and what this means for your daily choices. The first anti-inflammatory food you must include is berries. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. According to the research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, anthocyanins have strong anti-inflammatory effects. These little powerhouses also contain quercetin and vitamin C. Not only do they taste amazing, but they also support brain health, reduce inflammation, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Why does this work? Anthocyanins reduce markers of inflammation and oxidative stress, which helps protect cells from damage. So, what can you do? Add in berries to your morning cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. Enjoying them fresh as a snack or use them in desserts. And just enjoying them in different ways that make sense for you. The second anti-inflammatory food that you must include is leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamin A, C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. They contain compounds like vitamin E, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlights that vitamin E can reduce markers of inflammation. Additionally, the high levels of vitamin A and C in leafy greens help combat oxidative stress and support immune function. Why it works? Well, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduces the production of inflammatory molecules. Vitamin A supports immune health, and vitamin C is crucial for tissue repair and combating oxidative stress, as we mentioned in our collagen video. So, what can you do? Make a leafy green salad and add a healthy fat like avocado to enhance nutrition absorption. Add spinach to your smoothies or any other leafy green that you like, with a spoonful of nut butter or sauteed kale with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. The third anti-inflammatory food that you must include if you can, and if you do eat fish, is wild fatty fish. Wild fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known to reduce inflammation. Why it works? Well, studies show omega-3 fatty acids can reduce the production of substances and molecules linked to inflammation, such as inflammatory eicosanoids and cytokines. Cytokines are signaling proteins that regulate the immune response and inflammation. When cytokines are overproduced, they can lead to an exaggerated inflammatory response, which may cause tissue damage and contribute to chronic inflammatory diseases like arthritis and heart disease. So, what can you do? You can grill, bake, or steam wild fatty fish for dinner. You can add this wild salmon to your salads or make a mackerel pate for a healthy snack, and many other options that you can come up with. The fourth anti-inflammatory food group that you must include is herbs and spices. Garlic and ginger are two powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Garlic contains allicin, which can inhibit the production of inflammatory cytokines, like we mentioned before, those signaling proteins, and reduce oxidative stress. Ginger contains gingerol, shogol, and paradol, which inhibit the synthesis of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins and cytokines. Both also have strong antioxidant properties. Why it works? Well, allicin in garlic can lower levels of inflammatory cytokines and has antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress. Gingerol in ginger reduces inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory pathways and reducing oxidative stress. So it's a two-for combo. What can you do about it? Well, you can use ginger and garlic raw in dressings, as cooking can neutralize some of their benefits and some of the enzymes. For garlic, you let it sit for a few minutes after chopping or crushing to allow the allicin to develop fully. And whatever else you can think to come up with. Some people even eat it raw. The fifth anti-inflammatory food that you must include is nuts. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of nuts is associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers. Why does this work? Well, nuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and magnesium, both of which have anti-inflammatory effects. Alpha-linolenic acid is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that reduces inflammation, while magnesium helps to lower C-reactive protein, which is an inflammatory marker. So what can you do? Well, you can snack on a handful of nuts, you can add them to your salads, you can use them in bacon, and whatever else you can create and come up with. Your takeaway actions, which is always the most important thing, is like, how can you apply this information to your daily life immediately? Let's go over some practical steps that you can take to naturally reduce inflammation and just enjoy the benefits of a healthier body. Well, your first step is to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Like we mentioned before, enjoy the wild fatty fish a couple of times a week if possible, snack on berries, include leafy greens in your salads with a healthy fat like avocado. Use garlic and ginger in your cooking and try them raw in dressings for maximum benefits. Or you can combine. You can have it half raw or half cooked. Enjoy a handful of nuts as often as possible, preferably multiple times a week. If you don't enjoy these specific foods, please find equivalent nutritional alternatives that provide similar anti-inflammatory benefits. There are thousands and thousands of different options out there, so you don't have to be stuck eating something that you don't enjoy. That is paramount, that you enjoy, or at least do not dread or hate any of the foods here and then still persist and continue to eat them. So another lifestyle habit that may be supportive in reducing inflammation in your system is just staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water, helps your body maintain optimal function, supports cellular health, and aids in removal of toxins, which can reduce inflammation. Of course, exercising regularly is another one. Physical activity can lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body and improve overall health by promoting circulation and just boosting the immune system. Getting enough sleep. Quality sleep helps regulate inflammation by allowing the body to repair and regenerate, reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. Managing stress. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or yoga can lower stress hormones, which are linked to inflammation. Reducing stress can help just balance your immune response. And so by consistently incorporating the food and all of these habits into your diet and into your lifestyle, you'll reap numerous benefits. You will have reduced pain, a lower risk of arthritis and other chronic diseases, enhanced immune function, and an improved quality of life where you look and feel better and move through life with more ease and limited physical discomfort. These small changes can make a huge and significant difference in your daily quality of life. Understanding inflammation and how to combat it with anti-inflammatory foods and habits can significantly be a game changer in improving your health and your life. So please, if you liked all of this information, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more practical, actionable health tools and knowledge, and share with your loved ones. And share your favorite anti-inflammatory foods in the comments below. Thank you for listening, and enjoy your anti-inflammatory foods. Stay healthy, and see you in your next video.